guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, me sure don't know what we are gonna do. We are gonna do some green plum juice. Yes man, with ginger and sugar. Now guess what? If you don't want to use no sugar, you can always use any sweetener of your choice. Me feel for use sugar today. Of course, you're gonna clean these up till I say you can even make the juice with the yellow one. My god, the ripe one. Yes man. Alright, let's get started. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment if you like it, and subscribe to our channel. Let's get straight into this video, guys. What we're doing now is to remove the plum from the seed. So remember eating this with salt and pepper. Now remember, I tell you guys, whatever it is that is in season, make use of it.
This is how the seeds look like when it's really spiky, like a hedgehog.
All right, guys, you see that? Really prickly, right? So that's the seed. We don't use that to throw it away. What we're going to do, we're going to blend these, right? Be careful. What we're going to do again, we're going to blend this again with like about 2.5 cups of water. Alright now guys, so at this time we're going to sweeten to taste. And there you have it. A nice, cheap, refreshing June plum juice. We're going to add this to the refrigerator to just cool, and then I'll show you guys. I give you guys a drink. Okay guys, now that our juice has cooled down, we're going to serve up a glass for you guys, man. Yes man, nice refreshing plum juice, Jamaican plum juice, man. Guys, I hope you give it a try. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye.